It might surprise you to find out that there are many things that count as vehicles, at least when you ride them while intoxicated. For example, lawnmowers. If you drink until you're over the legal limit and then get on a riding lawnmower, you can absolutely get a DUI. That's exactly what happened to a Marion County, Florida resident in August of 2020. It doesn't matter how slow it's moving or where you're riding it, it can get you a DUI. The same goes for an all-terrain vehicle, or ATV. The irony with an ATV is that they're not even designed to go out on the road. They're built for rugged terrain. But just because they're not on the road doesn't mean you can't get a DUI on one. That's exactly what happened to Blaine Schonk when he slammed his ATV into the side of an 18-wheeler in Illinois in late 2024.